Understanding process models, a beginner's guide. Imagine baking a cake. You wouldn't just throw ingredients together randomly, would you? You'd follow a recipe, a set of instructions that guides you through each step from mixing to baking to frosting. A process model is like that recipe, but for any task or project, not just baking. It's a structured way of breaking down a process into smaller, more manageable steps. Process models are everywhere, even if we don't always realize it. When you order food online, there's a process model behind it. When you apply for a job, there's a process model for that too. By understanding these models, we can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and make better decisions. This essay will guide you through the basics of process models. We'll explore the different stages, understand their importance, and see how they apply to real-world situations. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to be more organized, this guide will provide you with a solid foundation in process modeling. Stages of a process from start to finish. Most process models, regardless of their complexity, follow a similar structure. While the specific terms might differ, the underlying principles remain consistent. Let's break down the typical stages of a process model. First, define. The first step is to clearly define the problem or goal. What are we trying to achieve with this process? Who are the stakeholders involved? Next is plan. Once the objective is clear, we need to plan how to achieve it. This involves identifying necessary tasks, resources, and timelines. Then we move to execute. This is where the action happens. We put the plan into motion, carry out the tasks, and track progress along the way. After executing a phase or the entire process, it's crucial to check the outcomes. Did we achieve what we set out to do? Are there any deviations from the plan? Finally, we improve. Based on the evaluation, we identify areas for improvement. This could involve refining the process, adjusting resources, or implementing new tools. The importance of each stage. Each stage in the process model plays a vital role in achieving the desired outcome. Let's delve deeper into why each stage is important. First, define. A clear definition sets the foundation for the entire process. Without a shared understanding of the goal, the process can easily go off track. Next, plan. Planning is crucial for efficient execution. It helps anticipate challenges, allocate resources effectively, and set realistic timelines. Then, execute. This stage is where the plan comes to life. Effective execution requires clear communication, coordination among team members, and adherence to the defined plan. After that, check. Regular checks and evaluations help identify deviations early on, allowing for timely adjustments and preventing larger issues down the line. Finally, improve. Continuous improvement is essential for any process to remain effective and relevant. It ensures that the process evolves to meet changing needs and challenges. Section 4. Real-world applications of process models. Process models are not just theoretical concepts, they have practical applications in various fields. Here are some real-world examples. In manufacturing, a car manufacturer uses a process model to assemble vehicles on an assembly line. Each stage represents a specific set of tasks, ensuring that every car is built to the same standard. In healthcare, a hospital uses a process model for patient admission from registration to discharge. This ensures that patients receive timely and appropriate care while streamlining administrative tasks. In software development, software developers use process models like Agile or Waterfall to manage the software development lifecycle, from ideation to deployment and maintenance. These are just a few examples, and the applications are limitless. By understanding and applying process models, organizations and individuals can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and achieve their goals more effectively. Section 5. Conclusion. Why process models matter. Process models provide a structured framework for understanding and managing complex tasks. They help break down overwhelming projects into manageable steps, ensuring that each step contributes to the overall goal. By following a defined process, we introduce consistency, reduce ambiguity, and create a shared understanding among everyone involved. While the specific steps and terminology might vary depending on the context, the fundamental principles of process modeling remain universal. Whether you're baking a cake, building a house, or developing software, a well-defined process can be the key to success. So embrace the power of process models and unlock a new level of efficiency and effectiveness in your personal and professional life.